That is right, ladies and gentlemen. I made $566.93 in just 1 week. Now, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I think I'm a semi-professional at this now. You see, I've been at this for about 2.5 months, and with the videos or whatever I'm doing flying on the screen, you can see from my YouTube channel, I've been doing this for a while, and I've been making some pretty good money. So I'm going to show you exactly how I made $566.93 just this week off affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you stuff like my methods, how I did the methods, the products I use, the analytics, the whatever you want to see in this video, I'm gonna show it. All right, first things first, you already know how much I made this week, right? $566, which obviously says in the title of the video, and I've said it 5 times already in this video. But you want to see the analytics and also the products I sold and how I did it. So let's talk about the products. So I sold exactly 2 products. One of them was on ClickBank called Social Plaid, which basically that is just like you're promoting online stuff. It's like, how do you make money on Instagram, TikTok, Discord, Snapchat, whatever it is. It's like a little guide, a course, whatever you want to call it, right? So that sells for about $40 and I make a 50% commission about, I'm estimating the numbers here. So I make about $20.50 commission per sale on that. Now the other product is a little bit different. It's actually my product, and let me explain. I have the hard copy right here. What it is, it's basically an ebook. Well, I have it in person, but it's an ebook. It's like a stock, crypto, and forex trading guide. Here, let me show you some pages. I went over this in one of my other videos on the 24-hour video affiliate marketing. If you want to watch that one, great video, by the way. I would 100% recommend it. Like examples, it just shows you how to trade. Basically, I whooped it up in about a week, and it's really good and does really well for me. Obviously, you're gonna see in the video how my analytics translated to the product. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know you're saying right now, oh my goodness, this guy just put a cheat code on. He made his own product. Obviously, he's gonna get sales because he's just the smartest person in the world, and he's like 7'1", 280 pounds, full muscle. I can't be like this guy. It's just impossible. Well, you can. So if we just put away my product alone, you can see on past history dates on my videos, just with other products, I've made really good sales as well, including the ClickBank product I'm going to promote. I know a lot of people are going to comment why I made my own product, and you can find it in my Discord on a bigger note why I did it, but it's basically I wanted to create the best affiliate program out there, so I did that and whatnot and made my own product, and it's really good to market. That's basically what I did. So that's just a short intro on that. Now let's talk about the methods, because the methods are a very important part of making sales. So the first method I did was a Pinterest method. I have a video on that as well. The short explanation is basically you just post a video or a post on Pinterest and people get impressions from it and they go click on your link. Now the second method I used was Instagram, and that's my biggest method. You just post Instagram reels, create a following, and they go click on your link and go buy your product. The third method was TikTok. TikTok absolutely is garbage for me right now, and you're going to look at that on analytics. It sucks. For other people, it makes thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars. People on my Discord make hundreds of dollars off of TikTok, and I used to make hundreds of dollars off of TikTok, and now I think I'm IP banned. If you didn't watch one of my videos on Pinterest, and if you're not part of my Discord server, which you should join, link in description. Don't worry, it's free, it's free. I got banned on Pinterest, and most of the stories on Discord, but anyway, what happened is that I was posting a lot of my commission links on there, like my affiliate products and whatnot, and I wasn't really doing it smartly. I was shortening the links, but I should have done it even more, like customizing the links. And the stats where I had about 482 followers around that area, 40,000 impressions on the pins I did, and 4 sales for $14.99, which was, again, this was my product. Everything I did on Pinterest was my product, which was $60 in total. Again, this would have worked for any other product. I know a lot of people hate that I made my own product. I don't care. You market what you're good at, and I'm really good at marketing this. It's by far the best thing I'm good at marketing, so I'm gonna go with it. All right, I don't care about whatever hate comments you're doing right now, because I make money with this, and I don't care. Now we get to TikTok, and TikTok is the most depressing part of the video because I suck on TikTok now. You know, once I was regarded as the TikTok king, like the dude that would just make billions and trillions of dollars on TikTok, and honestly may even become the top 10 wealthiest dude of all time. But they banned my IP address. How do I know this? Well, it's because every single account I make doesn't even rack over 1,500 views. Not even my personal LondonNuggs TikTok account doesn't even get over 500 views. That's when you know it's pretty dang bad. And I've made over 10 accounts so far, and yeah, it's just not going well, man. So my TikTok stats, 490 followers at this point, which you'll probably see a screenshot on the board. It may be more, maybe less. I don't care. I rounded up to 490 because it probably looked good. And then 15,000 views with, guess what, guys? 0 sales. But that doesn't mean it's going to suck for you. It just sucks for me. They banned my IP address because if you watch my first, like, third video of the channel, yeah, you can see I was doing some pretty sketchy stuff on TikTok. I was hacking the algorithms. And we're going to get to the most exciting part of the video, and it's Instagram. Instagram has been my main thriving source of income for affiliate marketing. And remember, I don't pay for any ads. This is all organic. So I want to try to pay for ads and see how that works. So if you want me to do that, leave a comment down below. Push me out in the algorithm, because you know what? Just do it anyway. So I have 3 Instagram accounts. One of them, 190 followers. I'll put them all on the screen. Those views, I don't really know because I combined it with the second one, which is a 7,600 follower account, which is doing really good lately. I bought it about 2 months ago, so it's doing really good. I made some great conversions and really turned over the account. So combining those 2 accounts, I have 7,800 followers, 180,000 views, 23 sales for $14.99, equating to $345. Again, I sold all these, and that account, the 7,600 follower one, which you'll see on many videos, especially the 24-hour one, I pretty much did all like promoting on this product right here. I did do a product before that, which I did get sales. If you want to watch one of my videos called the ClickBank Challenge, I'll have it on the screen. It's a good video. I didn't do it with my own product, so if you don't believe me, you can go over there. You better believe me. So then we get to my last Instagram account, and this is the most depressing one, because if you saw in one of my other videos, it had about 278,000 followers. And thank you guys for everybody that went on that video that reported my account. Thank you very much for reporting my account. I very much appreciate that. Now I'm suspended on that account, and I haven't been able to post for 21 days. So that's where the ClickBank product comes, because normally I would just promote my own product because I'm really good at marketing it. But I do promote ClickBank products as well because they're good as well. So that's what I did. I promoted a product called Social Plaid, and I got a total of, let's just first round the stats up. At the time of putting these stats down, 278,000 followers. I'm sure it's less than that now. 40,000 views. Yeah, that used to be like 700,000 views in a week, or 500,000 views in a week. Thank you very much for reporting the account. And 8 sales for $14.99, which I switched to the past couple days. And then I sold 2 sales for $20.55, which was the ClickBank product. So in total, with my product and the ClickBank product, in total, we got just about 10 sales for $161 in total. Let's break down the numbers even more. You can see a chart on the screen right now. So we got our methods, sales, revenue, cost, and profit. This chart right here took me a solid 25 minutes. So if you don't like this video because of how beautiful this chart looks, I don't care. It looks like I made it in 4th grade. It looks great. Please leave a like. Methods. We have Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram. For sales, we have 4 for Pinterest, 0 for TikTok, and 33 for Instagram. That's a lot of sales for Instagram in 1 week. Revenue, $60 in Pinterest, $0 in TikTok, and $506 on Instagram. That was a banger week for Instagram. I think my best week I've ever done on Instagram. Cost, $0 on Pinterest. Cost meaning, did I pay for any ads, or was it taxable, which I'll go further into that. And then TikTok, $0, obviously, because we made $0. Now, $73 on Instagram. It's because of the ClickBank product. Obviously, you're not keeping the whole commission on my product. I get to keep my whole commission because I made the product, obviously. That's kind of why I did it as well. So I get the whole commission, even though it's $15, because I know how to market it, and I get the whole commission because, you know, it's my product. Don't screenshot that face. So for the profit, $60 for Pinterest, $0 for TikTok, and $433 for Instagram. That is not equivalent to $566.93. I don't care. $566.93 in revenue. Now we come to the depressing part of the video where I tell you I have to pay 50% taxes on everything I just made. Why is that, London? Why is that, Nugs? Well, it's because I live in California. So please help me cure my depression of paying 50% taxes by smashing the like button. I do want to say that this is a lot of hard work. It's not like you can just get up and do it in the next week. If you look on my Discord, which you really should join, it's very helpful. It's free, obviously. Everything in there is free. I have free videos. Whatever you want is free. You can see that many people have a lot of success with this, which I personally take a lot of gratitude from because I'm helping you guys, which is the whole point I do YouTube pretty much. Also, it would be nice to be a job on YouTube instead of trading crypto, which drives me crazy. But 2.5 months, it's kind of paying off now. I started years ago, and I started really just diving into this about 2.5 months ago, if you can see my first video, and it's really done well. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. If you want me to make another one, please hit the like button. If we get a lot of likes, I'll do it next week as well. And if you want to see it every single week or every single 2 weeks, hit the like button. If I get a lot of likes from this, then I'll do it again. I don't want to flood everybody with these videos because I feel like maybe some people don't like them. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please watch my other videos. They're great. They're great. They're amazing. They're amazing. They're amazing. I'm the best YouTuber on the planet, okay? Don't say another word. Oh, wait. Before I end off this video, you should go subscribe to my other channel called LondonNuggs Live. What it basically is I'm going live. I'm going to be one of the first finance YouTubers to go live and do like live streams, answer questions, like, you know, play around with random methods and whatnot. So I'm setting up all my live stream stuff. My camera's here. I got to get this big battery for the camera. I got to get like the downboard or whatever. Dude, I'm going full streamer mode. It's going to be legit. Join the Discord. Yeah, go subscribe. It's going to be lit. Trust me, it's going to be awesome, all right? Don't have any panics. I'm scared. I'm not going to lie. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.